They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing passion twist on short hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I am able to grip and just do a very nice natural looking passion twist on my client hair. I think my client has a 4C or like a 4B kind of hair, but it doesn't really matter. Like, this works for either hair type. As you can see, I did like the first 5, and now I'm going to I'm just prepping for like the next ones that I'm going to do. First, I'm making like my rough draft, parts, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge control, because again, with this, when your client has a short hair, you don't really have like the hair pack to tie the hair up, to be free from distraction. So you kind of have to use your edge control to create that demarcation, so that you don't have any hair like distracting you in the middle. And I went ahead and applied the edge control in the middle of the line, and now I'm just going back to make sure that my parts or my lines are very, very clean before I can start. In that way, I don't have to bundle my client's hair up, to be free from distraction. This technique just helps, and it just makes the hair stay. So I do have the edge control in my description box, the edge control link, as well as the magnetic wristband, that green thing that you can see on my wrist right now, and also the rat tail comb. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using the free tress water wave hair, and I think I used about 7 or 8 for my client. 2 packs of the ombre kind, and then I think about 5.5 or 6 of the color 1B, because she wanted a mixture of mostly 1B, but a highlight of the ombre kind. Oh yeah, so this part is very, very important. So I just went ahead and I am just applying my edge control on the body of the part. In that case, it can just stay all the way until I am done with this whole section. This helps. Of course, I went ahead and made sure that my parts are cleaner, but yeah, so now we're good to go. So now I am done with the other ones. Now I apply the edge control on that particular part that I'm about to start twisting. Make sure my parts are clean some more. I'm going to comb all the way through. I'm going to try to make the tip, the ends of my client's hair as slim as possible by applying the edge control on, if you can, in case your client has a very thick 4C hair. So in that case, it's easier for you to twist as you go. So now I'm going to start twisting. So for this style, I used about 1.5 counts of strands of the passion twist hair. You can use 2, but I would just say 1.5 for a small size, but 2 to be safe. 2 to be safe. As you can see, I had to stop and go back and comb it some more, put some more edge control, make sure that we're good to go. That's because I don't want my client to complain that it's unraveling everything. So it's been a few days now, a week, and I haven't had any complaint. That's the reason why I'm very, very confident making this video. But I do short passion twists all the time, and short locks and short everything. So I do feel very, very confident, and that's because I always have to go back and retwist and do everything all over if it's not looking right, So the reason why I did that is that I don't want to start the twist with a bulk of hair. So I start with maybe 1 strand first, and then I am just going to fade in the other half, just so everything can flow together, so it's not so bulky at the roots of my client's hair. I think I've given too much information, but I would just say that the edge control matters for this hairstyle. Your parts matters. She was going to do a regular size, but I just recommended something smaller because your hair is short, so you want to grip it as small as possible and not in bigger section, so that it can last way longer. I do short hairstyle all the time, so I'm very, very confident it's not going to unravel, I promise you. It's going to last as long as you want it to last. But passion twist usually lasts for a month. But if you like messy look and all that look, then maybe 6 weeks and 8 weeks, and you should be good to go. But yeah, and I'm gonna twist and just do exactly what I see me doing right now, and then just keep twisting. Then when I get to the ends, I'm just going to use my finger, I'm doing the finger curls. I'm just gonna do that at towards the end, the tip of the locks. just because nothing specific. And then when I was done, I applied my edge control and then I was good to go. But yeah, that'll be all. Let me know if you guys have any specific questions. But till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They're pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine, say. Girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another.